Okay. We're gonna show my fidgets in this backpack. Okay, let's do this. So first, I have this puppet. Yay! This puppet is super good. Let me show you. ASMR. And this unicorn puppet. I really like it because I never had a unicorn puppet, and I trade with this. Oh yeah. Ready? I decided to get him in Discord. I messaged him, join Discord now, and here's what happened. Okay, I'm done with this one. Yo, bro, so I just saw you with a lick on the I brought slime that's in a bag. I'm just gonna grab a little bit out. Push. This smells weird. And it's sticky. Okay, now let's put it back in. Oh, jeez. Oh. 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 It smells weird. Okay. Okay, so I brought 2 monkey noodles. There is more in there. 2 yellow monkey noodles, I think. I think there's 2. Let me see if there's more. No! Okay, I got 3 monkey noodles, I think. So I found another one. Got 3 monkey noodles. I think there's 3 monkey noodles. Yellow monkey noodles. Okay, now I'm put it here. So I'm gonna show you my orange pop tube. I think there's more. I'm gonna get all my big pop tubes. Yeah, this is my only big pop tube, I think. I have to be quiet with it, actually. There's a baby in here. And I think there's a baby. Yeah, there is a baby in here. So I have to be quiet because it's sleeping. So, oh, I found another one of my big poppets. I mean my pop tube. There is some. Oh yeah, guys, I have some. I'm looking for stuff. And this is not my house. I'm at my cousin's house. And I brought some fidgets. So I got four pop tubes. So I'm going to put them here because they might slide. Actually, I'm just going to put them all in my lap because they're going to slide off. Okay, I got this slime with a container. I made this slime. I didn't make it. It came with this. When it orders something slimy, and I color it. And it stinks super bad. Okay. Now. So I got blue monkey noodles, that are big, the same size as these. And let me show you my black rubber stress ball. It actually feels like a needle. And I had one, it was a squishy, and it popped because of the baby bite it. And I was very sad. It was my brave fidget. I love Neatos and I have no Neatos. One orange monkey noodle. And a big whack track. Just in case we go somewhere far. Super big.
This stuff is pretty toxic and cancer causing, so I'm gonna use a silicone hand. Alright guys, so 4 years is
Okay, ready?
dangerous. Stepping on it will literally
1, 2, 3, 4.
So I'm gonna go get my shoes to show you.
Well, okay, it's very big. You see. Now I have one tangle. Okay, I can fix that. I'm gonna fix this. Super long now. And then you put them together. It's super short. Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't forget about this poppet. A owl poppet. I just like the texture to this. If it's not called texture, whatever it is, I just like the sound to it a little bit. Okay. One big pink monkey noodle and 2 texture monkey noodle. This one is a dinosaur. I have a unicorn at my house right now. Okay, I got 2 purple ones. One's dark, one's light. So this one's the light one, and this one's the dark one. Here's the dark one. This one looks like pink. Okay, so this one is a green tiny monkey noodle. And here's a triple dimple. So you do it like this. Just press the holes like a poppet. And this
GG, boy!
orange tiny monkey noodles. And one more thing. This is blue monkey noodle. That is all. Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like. And comment down below this video. Bye.